This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining what matters. Pick 3-5 moments that show legal aptitude or motivation. Explain why each moment shaped your interest in law, link specific tasks or outcomes. Once done, gather transcripts, CV items, awards, internship dates, and note each target school's prompt and word limit. Make sure to timestamp experiences and keep evidence handy. This early clarity will save time and keep your narrative focused when you start drafting, so do not skip this practical inventory step. You now draft the heart of the statement. Create a concise opening hook that establishes stakes or a defining question. Then write 2 to 3 brief scenes that show concrete actions, challenges, and what you learned. Avoid summary. Once done, explicitly link those lessons to lawyering skills like analysis, advocacy, and ethics so admissions see relevance. Make sure to vary sentence length. Use short commands and fuller explanations to keep rhythm. Revise for clarity, and remove anything that doesn't advance the narrative. You finish by tightening and polishing. Cut filler and ensure a single, authentic voice from start to finish. Once done, proofread for grammar, flow, and word count compliance. Prefer concrete detail over vague claims. Make sure to get 2 reviewers, a legal-minded reader for accuracy and a non-law reader for clarity, and incorporate their feedback. If you hit a block, try a reverse outline to spot weak transitions. Failing that, step away for a day and return with fresh eyes to fix structure and tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.